lost people. Stay with Lost Farms Homestead. It is cold out here this morning. I think it's like, what is it, the 18th, January? So yeah, somewhere in January. It's Saturday, so somewhere in January, early in the morning. It's about 7 o'clock right now. Oh, sorry about the wind. That was odd. Anyways, it's going to be a windy day today. We're going to do what we can to get some bags up on the top of that house. I want to get it all the way topped out so we can come and put the plank over the top. So yeah, I got some coffee going this morning. This is actually just water, because me being a bonehead, I was in a hurry getting everything together, and I forgot to pack the press for the coffee. So, but we do have instant coffee, so I always bring instant just in case. So that kind of sucks, but it'll be all right. We'll get by with it. So here, check this out. This is how cold it was last night. Look at this. That is frozen solid. I mean, there's a little bit in there, but that thing is not, there's no give on that. We're gonna have to wait for that to thaw out before we can use it. But anyways, so here we got some spindles out here. These make really nice tables, so that was kind of cool. I'm trying to get a fire going this morning. I got some breakfast packs that I made. So it's like house potatoes, the way that, like house fries, where they do that in the morning for breakfast. So it's that with egg and turkey sausage gravy and some cheese on top of it. I got them in these little packs here. Oh, see, these little foil packs like that. So we're gonna get a fire going and throw those on the fire and see how that works. So we did the biscuits and gravy last time, and that was pretty good, but the biscuits were a little bit, the consistency wasn't so good. I mean, you knew they were biscuits, but yeah. So I'm gonna try this and see how it works out. I think potatoes will do better than biscuit. So yeah, so we're gonna do that and get some coffee, warm up a little bit. It's very cold. I think it was like 29 when I looked at the temperature this morning. Holy cow, it's cold. So yeah, we're gonna get warmed up, get some coffee and breakfast in us, and then we'll go get on it. So stick around. Thanks. Right, so breakfast. This is how those packs turned out. Yep, turkey, sausage, egg, potato, and gravy. That's delicious. Yeah. All right. So we're gonna get some breakfast and get set up, and then we're gonna go start working on the house. So stick around. Thanks. Alright, so we're out here at the site, and it's pretty much where we left it. Go on this side, and then match the other side up to it. And then once those are even on both sides, then we're going to bring up the front a couple of rows to create the slope. So I think, I don't know how far we're going to get today. It's pretty cold and it's real windy out here. Also, if you look right over here, hey John, say hi. Yeah, if you look over here, that looks like rain. Now it's not here, and it's not over us, but yeah, if the weather gets rainy or bad, yeah, we're packing it in. So we got clouds all the way around us. I mean, it's a pretty nasty day out today. Very cold and windy. So, and I'm expecting to drive home tonight, so we're leaving out of here around 2, 3, 4-ish, wherever we end up, and we'll see where we end up at. But yeah, so we'll see how much we can get done before, you know, the weather goes bad or it's time to go. So hopefully we can get a bunch of it done. We'll see where we're at, so stick around. Thanks. Wow. I told you it was rock. You can see how tough this dirt is right now. This dirt is not normally like that. It is frozen solid right now. That's better. That wasn't too bad. That top though, holy cow. Wow. That is not nice. Be careful, man. It's got a little bit of bounce back and stick. I know. Dude, from here I'm looking at that thing. It looks like it's gonna bounce back and stick right in your forehead.
Well, if it does,
Yeah.
I don't gotta work no more.
Yeah. I got the bare fact. We're good.
That'll take it out.
Yeah. Holy cow. That is crazy. Yeah, it's very cold here. I'm not sure how much of this we're going to get done. We're going to do what we can, but man, this is slow going and brutal right now. But, yep. All right, let's see what we can do. Stick around. Thanks. right, so I wanted to get you guys a shot of this. This happens to us a lot of times when we come out here. You'll see like right here, look, and I'm showing you guys this through the house because it's really windy out there. You might even get some wind even inside here, but I'm gonna show you guys this. Check this out. So we got this. This is the nice, beautiful sunny day, right? And we got nice clouds. It's bright, and that's awesome. But if you look over here, see all of that? Oh, wind, sorry. If you look at all of that down there on the horizon, you can see that looks like rain right there on the side over there. And then if you look over this way, on this side, we have rain all the way around. So it's really weird because we got rain all the way around us, but where we're at, it's nice and, you know, nice. But I don't know, we'll see how long it holds for. So just thought I'd show you guys that as kind of a trip, so. Right on, stick around. Thanks. Alright, so we have finished the back wall on both sides right now. Sorry, it's a little windy. This is where we're at. We got this side complete all the way across. And you can see we got the zip ties in there. The 3 zip ties across there for the top plates. And it goes across and it's even with this side over here. And we got this side all the way across. And we got to build up the bottle wall in the middle a little bit, but we are to the lateral bracing on either side, so that's where we need to be on that. So here, let me get inside. It's windy out here. So what we're gonna do is next time we come back, here, let's look at the inside right now. So here you can see that wall all the way across, all the way across. So we're all the way closed in right here. So what we're gonna do is next time we come out, we're gonna pick this up right here, that in the front. Now this is good all the way across right here. This is good all the way across right here. So we're gonna frame that lintel into the arc that's gonna go up, or not the arc, I'm sorry, the angle that's gonna go up right here to the front. And then we're gonna add 2, maybe 3 rows across the top to elevate that in order to create the slope so that the roof slopes away from there so we can collect the water in the back. So, and then we need to finish this part right here, so we still got that to do also. But, and then the bottle wall, and then a bunch of interior stuff. So, but we're making progress. I would have liked to have gotten this front wall done a bit more, but it's starting to get late and it's very cold. And the sky's looking a little ominous right now. So I think we're gonna, I think we're gonna pack it up and get us out of here. So thanks for watching. Stick around. I might add on, we might be doing the welding part. I might get that situated and get that into one of the videos. If not this one at the end, then maybe the next one. But yeah, we're gonna get that handled, get all the welding done, and then get all of the lumber in here for that. I've got a lot of it already in the container, but I need to figure out what else we need and make sure that we have all of it, and then yeah, just get in here and get it built. So stick around. Thanks for watching our video. Like and subscribe. Thanks. Alright, so we're in the truck, we're getting ready to leave out of here, and I just wanted to show you guys this. It's very cold today here. Look, see this? I got 42 degrees we were working in out there, and it was probably colder than that earlier. This is like, it's about 1 o'clock right now, so it's early afternoon. This is about as warm as it's gonna get, but yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna get us home. Thanks for watching.